Hi, in today's video I will show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 11 or Windows 10. That means if your CPU is running 100%, you can fix that in the control panel. I will show you how you can do that. For that, first you have to go to the start menu, and from there just type in control panel app and just open it. Now from here just open hardware and sound, and then go to the power options. Now here you can see that I have a high performance plan that is enabled here, or you can select the balanced plan. If you don't have a high performance plan, I just check my description. I'll share the link how you can create or how you can enable the high performance plan. And once you are inside this power plan, just select the high performance plan and then click on change plan settings. From here just click on change advanced power settings. Now just go to the processor power management. Here you will see the two options, minimum processor state and maximum processor state. Just click on the minimum processor state. Just expand it. Here you have to leave both the plugged in the minimum performance state as 0 as well as the on battery as 0. And once that is done, then go to the maximum processor state, leave both as 100%. Here I have already done that, and once that is changed, then click on apply and OK. Now after that you can close this window. Now the next step is to open the device manager. For that you have to go to the start. From here search, just type in device manager, you will get it here. Just open the device manager. Now from here just go to the system devices. You can see the system devices, just expand it. Now find high precision event manager. This one you can see an option, high precision event manager. Just right click on it and disable the device. Just click on yes. Done. Now after that just go and open the task manager. Just search for task manager. Now here just go to the startup apps, you will get it here. Just click on startup apps. Here you will see the set of programs that will run when you turn on your PC or restart your PC. In my case I have disabled everything here, so if any application is running here, just right click and disable those applications, the unwanted applications. Now once that is done, just close down this window and you have to restart your PC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.